Starting off at number 1 is that olive oil contains good, healthy fats called monounsaturated fats. They make up a majority of the oil's compound, and the specific fatty acid we're going to hone in on is called oleic acid. Studies on oleic acid indicate an array of health benefits. One of them stated that it can support cellular health and stop cancer-causing proteins from forming. Other studies indicated that oleic acid took cancer cells to a form called apoptosis, which is indicated as cell death. Number 2 is that olive oil can directly be associated with increasing your heart health. A lot of research has been done on Mediterranean countries because it has been shown that heart disease is less common in those areas. This led to even more research being done on the Mediterranean diet, which also has been shown to reduce heart disease. That's because olive oil is a key part of this diet. Olive oil actually reduces inflammation and prevents bad LDL cholesterol from oxidizing in your arteries. If cholesterol oxidizes, it can harden the artery walls, and this in turn can result in blood clotting, which leads to heart disease. It can also reduce blood pressure, which is one of the highest causes of heart disease in the first place. If you're liking the video so far, make sure you subscribe and follow us on Instagram at healthyourself_YT, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond as we post short videos every 2 days. Number 3. Did you know that olive oil can help to prevent a stroke? A stroke comes in second place next to heart disease as the number 2 cause of death. A stroke is when there is an issue with blood in the brain, usually due to clotting or bleeding. The relationship between olive oil and strokes have been closely monitored, and it has been shown to reduce chances of a stroke occurring. This comes down to those monounsaturated fats we talked about earlier, plus the abundance of the antioxidants found in olive oil. Moving on to number 4 is that olive oil has antibacterial characteristics. Olive oil contains many nutrients that have antibacterial properties. One in particular is a bacteria called Helicobacter pylori, which is a stomach bacteria that can cause ulcers. Studies have shown that olive oil actually warded off this bacteria when antibiotics had failed to do so. Finally, at number 5, would you believe us if we said that olive oil can actually help to make your food more nutritious? Remember those monounsaturated fats? Well, it turns out that it has a high resistance to heat. This means it doesn't get broken down and can actually get absorbed by your food. Additionally, it also helps some cooked food to retain some of its nutrients, which usually gets lost during the cooking process. Pretty cool, right? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips, nutrition facts, and much more.